welcome to my channel. I've got some great wigs to review today, and don't forget, whilst you're watching the video, look out for the discount code that appears on your screen to get a discount on whichever wig I'm reviewing. All the details will be down below, but the discount code will be only found in the video. Oh, just before we start, don't forget to subscribe. The wig I'm reviewing is the Rory wig by Bobbi Boss. It's the MLF215 Rory wig, and it's in a colour copper bug. And this is what it looks like straight out of the packet. This colour is loud. Can you see all those tones? Oh my word. It's like got copper, plum, burgundy. This wig is absolutely bomb. Let's test for shedding. Just a few strands. This is a lace front and lace part wig. You can see the lace section there, and you can also see it's got a really good lace part in it. It has 3 combs, 1, 2 and 3 combs plus a drawstring, and the lace is between hard and soft. As you can see, this colour is not rooted, so it's going to take some guts to wear this wig, and I'm hoping that I have it. I have the drawstrings done up, and the first thing I noticed is that the cap is a very snug fit. The ear tabs are exactly in the right place, here and here, so it's not too small, it's just the right size, and I do have a large head, so I would say that this is big head friendly. That's the first thing. I love the way the curls are falling. It is a tonga ball fibre. It's nice and soft, slightly silkier fibre. Texture makes so much of a difference. Nowadays, you really want to feel as if the hair is like human hair, even if you're not paying the price for human hair. Medium density wig. It's not too much hair. The curls and the gracefulness of the movement is really good, so I like that. Let me show you from the back as well. It's just a tiny bit longer at the front than it is at the back, but it's not, I wouldn't really describe it as an asymmetrical. I think it's just the cut of the wig. Now, one thing I would like to do is just to see whether I can make that lace part even more natural by adding a little bit of foundation. Concealer in the part, and I did actually have to tweeze it quite a little bit in order to open up the part, because otherwise, no matter how much concealer I put in it, it wasn't really getting that natural look because the part was too tight. But now that I've actually widened the part, plucked a little bit, as you can see, it's really nice, and I don't mind the non-rooted look whatsoever. I really feel slinky in this wig. This wig is like the type of wig you wear out in an absolutely stunning dress, because this colour, it is so glamorous that it deserves your little black number or a really beautiful evening gown. I feel so glamorous. That's all I have to say about this wig. It is a glamorous wig. On to my next wig. Hope that you liked it, and did you notice the discount code? Don't forget to like, and I will see you in my next video.